Hi there everyone, this is your friend Jake, and in this tutorial video guys, we will create display usernames using list in Python. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my subscribers in my channel. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's get started. List is one of the most common data type or data structure rather in Python. So in this sample program that I will show to you, our program will ask the user to give the username, and then it will ask another name, and then if the user will press N, it will display the list of users name that is being provided by our user. So I'm here in my PyCharm Community Edition. My IDE that I'm using in writing this program, it is free to download at the website of JetBrains. So we have here data equals to bracket for array, and then we have here print a new line for formatting, and then we have here the title display usernames using list in Python, while true colon data append. When we say append, it will add enter name, choice, input enter another name, yes or no. If choice cast fault equals n, break, it will exit. And then by using for loop statement in Python for underscore usernames in data, it will display the names, and then end of the program. Don't worry guys, because I will put a link in the description below where you can download the complete source code of our program. So let us go to run user underscore names. Okay, our program is running right now. Enter name, let's say Jake, yes, Jacob, Samuel, yes, Ali, another name, yes, Juliana, and then add another name, no. It will display the list of names, no, using list Jake, Jacob, Samuel, Ali, Juliana. And then we have here end of program. Okay, so here we go. And another example, we can remove this one, save, run, enter name Lydia, yes, another name Jake, Y, Virilio, another name, yes, Leslie Vinky, add another name, no. So the list of names are Lydia, Jake, Virilio, Leslie Vinky, and the program. I will put a link in the description below where you can download the complete source code of our sample program here. Okay, for the last time, enter name Mario, Y, Ana, Jose, okay, Pedro, no. So the list of names Mario, Ana, Jose, and Pedro, end of program. Okay, so this is the end of our tutorial video on how to display usernames using list in Python programming language. Thank you so much guys for watching. I will put a link in the description below where you can download the complete source code. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.